so tonight we're making a quick weeknight meal. Here's some gourmet mushrooms. All you have to do is just hydrate them in some hot water and they're going to come to life. Here I have some peppers and some onions. I'm going to go ahead and add some salt to this and some pepper. Now you see what happens when you ask the kids to take out the meat in the freezer. Here we go. It's still a frozen log. Alright y'all, so finally after about 10 minutes of having this ground turkey on slow with the top on it, finally got it broken apart. Now I got the heat up high. Now although we're using ground turkey, I'm going to go in with this beefy onion. They done already opened up the pack for something else, so we're going to go ahead and use the rest. Then you're going to add your basic seasonings. Here goes some garlic powder, your onion powder, all in one complete seasoning. Now you don't just have to buy the better than bouillon chicken or beef. They also have this adobo flavor, which is really delicious. Throw that up in the party too. And then we're going to add some more veggies in there. Yep. Pour all of your meat mixture. To this, I'm going to rinse off 4 cups of this long grain rice. Now, if you cook on your stove, you should have a little reserve of bacon grease. That's what we got right here. So I'm going to go ahead and add some of that to the party. And then here we go again with the better than bouillon, but with the chicken this time. Voila. You're going to give it a stir, and here you go, your own chicken broth. Here goes the first pour. 7.5 cups of water. Mix that thing up. Alright y'all, just added a tad bit of salt after I tasted it because we need those flavors to pop. Put the foil on top of this tight and we're going to bake it in the oven for about 30 minutes. And then there we go. We have a baked rice. Don't that look yummy and filling?